to the People family. It's your girl Valentina, Sunflower Valentine on Instagram, and the founder of creator of Thank You Plant-Based God. I'm here today with you to the people to bring you guys a very easy plant-based breakfast that you can do with the fresh produce that's still available at your local market, and we're gonna get right into it. We have some strawberries for fruits, blackberries, an onion, garlic, potato because I do like some home fries, the tofu in here. It's organic, extra firm tofu, and turmeric. This is what's gonna give the scramble kind of like that egg scrambled color. Some coconut oil, some ground ginger, pink Himalayan salt, some onion powder, ground pepper, and what's gonna go inside of the tofu scramble, I have some mushrooms here, again some onions, garlic, gonna do a great concoction there. Some Levi's rye bread, this is my personal preference that I like to use. I have some plant-based butter that I like to spread on the bread, up to you if you guys want to do it. I'll show you what the brand looks like. Here is the butter I will be using on my toast. So I'm gonna go in and start my prep and just take you guys through it. So here's your onion, and basically what I'm gonna do is just chop it. I'm gonna take 3 little garlic cloves, just gonna smash it down, and then it magically just all comes off. So we're just gonna mince these garlics, clump them up together and mix it together, okay? But please be sure you're cutting properly and being safe. And since I like it really nice and tiny, I just go back and mince it all together. I want to show you guys just really quickly what I do in a bowl with the tofu before I start. So just make sure your hands are super duper clean. Basically what you're gonna do, you're just gonna grab it with your clean hands and crumple it up. And that's the scramble trick. It just gives it that real life egg scrambled texture, which is kind of funny, but it also looks like it a lot, which I think is pretty cool. And wait till we add the turmeric, then it's gonna look even for reals, for reals. So this is what your scrambled tofu should look like. It'll look much more like eggs very soon. The next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna take a little bit of organic coconut oil, and we're gonna put some of this in a pan, and we're gonna get started. So I already have a pan about this size, and I'm gonna turn the heat onto a medium low. This is about how much you wanna grab. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my other ingredients, the onions and the garlic, because we're gonna wanna saute them a little bit first. And then we're gonna add our tofu and our seasoning and our turmeric, which is gonna be so much fun because it's gonna give it that egg scrambled look. Now we're gonna add our tofu scramble. I add about this much turmeric. This is what the tofu scramble should look like. And now we're gonna move on to the home fries. Coconut oil for our home fries. So now I have my potatoes, and I'm gonna go ahead and add them to my pan. Again, medium to low heat. Salt and pepper. We're just gonna cover that and let it chill for a bit and chop up our fruit. We're just gonna take our strawberries and our blackberries, and we're gonna chop them up. They could be even slices, they could be uneven slices. And just start putting everything on the plate while my potatoes still cook in the back. Our home fries are done. So this is the final step of our breakfast. We're gonna find some room on this plate for them. This is a jam-packed breakfast, y'all. Brunch, lunch, dinner, whatever you want to call this situation. And here you have it. An easy plant-based tofu scramble with veggies, fruits, avocado, home fries, and toast with plant-based butter. Thank you, youth the people, so much for letting me do this for your channel. And if you recreate this, be sure to tag at Thank You Plant-Based God, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to answer them in the comments below.